In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Figma and design 10 times faster. Start by opening your design and keep it in view as we go. Speed in Figma isn't about rushing. It's about building a workflow that does the heavy lifting for you. The core pillars are a component-driven mindset, using auto layout almost everywhere, and leaning on essential keyboard shortcuts. Layer in prototyping and smart plugins and you'll move from tinkering to shipping with confidence. Begin with auto layout. Select a group of elements and press Shift+A to wrap them in an auto layout. Set the direction, tweak spacing between items and adjust padding, so the container expands naturally with its content. Use this for buttons, cards, toolbars, and entire sections. When your text changes or you add icons, everything realigns automatically, keeping your design responsive and consistent without constant manual nudging. Resize the frame and watch elements adapt. This is how you eliminate pixel pushing and speed up iteration. Next, commit to components and variants. Turn repeating UI pieces like buttons, navbars, and inputs into a master component. When you update the master, every instance updates instantly, even across files. So you are never fixing the same thing over and over. Create variants for states such as default, hover, pressed, and disabled, or for sizes like small, medium, and large. With variants, swapping states or styles takes seconds, and your interface stays cohesive as it grows. Jumpstart projects with design systems. Instead of starting from scratch, pull from a well-structured library like Untitled UI. Pre-built type scales, spacing, colors, and components keep your work consistent and dramatically reduce setup time. You can always customize, but starting with a strong foundation accelerates everything that follows. Now, master the shortcuts that compound your speed. Press Shift+X to swap fill and stroke grade for quick style reversals. Use Ctrl+Option+C to copy styles and Ctrl+Option+V to paste them across elements. Tap K for the Scale tool when you need to resize elements proportionally without breaking layout harmony. These small motions add up to big time savings. Don't wait to test. Build quick prototypes to validate flow and usability early. Link frames, set basic transitions, and hit play to experience the journey end to end. You'll catch friction points before handoff and iterate with purpose. Finally, extend your toolkit with plugins. Use Morph for polished effects, and AI tools for layout generation to spark fast starting points. The right plugins remove repetitive work and keep you focused on decisions that matter. Adopt these habits together, and your designs will come together faster, cleaner, and more reliably. Thanks for watching.